Ready to rumble in the world of low-code? Today, we're putting Appian and Outsystems head-to-head to help you decide which platform reigns supreme for your business. First, let's dissect the key features Appian excels in: process automation, case management, and building complex applications with a strong emphasis on data security and compliance. Outsystems shines with its rapid application development capabilities, user-friendly interface, and robust mobile development features. We'll break down their strengths in a moment. Appian typically caters to enterprises with complex, highly regulated needs, like financial services, healthcare, and government. Their pricing model is generally subscription-based and scales based on the number of users and applications. Think enterprise-level investment here. Outsystems often targets a broader audience, from small to medium-sized businesses to larger enterprises. You will find it in retail, manufacturing, and many other industries. Their pricing is tier and can be based on users, applications, or compute units, offering more flexibility. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Appian boasts superior process automation and compliance features. Its downsides can include a steeper learning curve and higher initial investment. Outsystems offers ease of use and faster development cycles. However, it can sometimes lack the depth and customization options available in Appian for highly complex scenarios. Consider these key factors. Ease of use: Outsystems often wins here. Scalability: both platforms scale well, but Appian shines when dealing with extremely high volumes and complex data integration capabilities. Both offer strong integration options, but review your specific existing systems for compatibility. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your organization's unique needs and priorities. Check out the link in the description for a deeper dive comparison chart and personalized recommendations to guide your low-code journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.